The RK Royal Kludge R65 wide gaming keyboard is here to transform your typing and gaming experience. With its unique features like a gasket mount structure, metal volume knob, hot swappable cream switches, dynamic RGB backlighting, and durable keycaps, it is designed to take your experience to the next level. This keyboard is interesting and special for its price point and value and incredible performance and features. So on the box, this is what we are going to get when you buy this keyboard. And with this keyboard, you're going to find things, inscription over here on the front and some on the front also over here. Then you're going to see the drawing of or the picture of the keyboard itself, which is to give you a preliminary idea of how the keyboard would look like when you unbox it. Then also at the back, you also have the other side where you have the QR code, and then you have other inscriptions or details about the keyboard. The model here is the R65 model, and the switch is the Gatrius switch, and the color is a green sand. Then the keyboard layout is the IBM66K, and its backlight with an RGB, so hot swap as well. This is made in China, and this keyboard is quite remarkable. So let's unbox to see what exactly is embedded in this keyboard. So the unboxing experience is quite very simple. You do not have to go through a lot of stress. Just open it and there you go. So the first thing we're greeted with is the manual. So this is the manual that you're going to get with this keyboard. So the manual here says user manual mechanical keyboard, and it's not a fully mechanical keyboard, but it has some substantial amount of mechanical aspect of it. And then when you open it, you see whatever you need to see that will guide you to be able to use this keyboard effectively. Greeted with a keyboard. Actually, eventually, this is the keyboard that you're going to get from this. So let's put this one aside and see. So let's remove it from the package over here, and then we talk about what this keyboard is. This looks quite impressive. It's pristine, really beautiful. I love this color combo. This color combo is just amazing. The Royal Kludge R65 sets itself apart right from the start with this 65% gasket mount, which is mechanical in nature. This innovative structure fortified with 5 layers of sound absorbing material, including poron cotton, delivers a typing experience like no other. The reduced noise and vibration coupled with optimized switch sound make every typing stroke satisfying enough. One of the standard features of this keyboard is a metal volume knob, a rare gem in this realm of compact keyboards. The aluminum CNC metal knob not only adds a touch of elegance but also offers unparalleled convenience. Adjusting the volume knob or muting the sound is a breeze, and the 3 indicator lights provide clear status updates at a glance, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Another important feature in the R65's cap is its hot swappable nature, complemented by pre-lobbed cream switches. These linear switches not only sport a unique creamy sound, but also boast excellent smoothness, making typing delightful experience. The high-quality PCB board supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, allowing for extensive customization to suit individual preferences. The backlighting RGB of the R65 is nothing short of spectacular, offering 20 built-in backlight modes that range from dynamic effects to monochrome and full-color displays. The customization options are further extended through software, empowering users to create their own immersive RGB setup tailored to their own preferences and taste. The MDA profile PBT keycaps add another layer of luxury to the R65. Crafted using double shot technology, these keycaps are not only durable and fade resistant, but also deliver a superior tactile experience. The compatibility of this keyboard with both Windows and Mac OS ensures seamless integration across various devices, making it a versatile choice for gamers and professionals alike. Now, what makes this keyboard quite phenomenal and remarkable is that the RK Kludge R65 wide key gaming keyboard is a force to be reckoned with in the world of mechanical keyboards. Its innovative design, premium features like the metal volume knob and hot swappable switches, dynamic RGB backlighting, and high quality keycaps make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a top tier typing and gaming experience. So if you're ready to elevate your keyboard game and typing experience, the R65 is a worthy investment that promises to unlock a world of precision and performance. My name is ABEiiiKU. This is my review of the RK Kludge R65 gaming keyboard. Subscribe to the channel and keep supporting this content. Share, like, and let's keep chit chat in the comment box. My name is ABEiiiKU. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.